The Audi RS Q8 is a high-performance luxury SUV that blends powerful engine dynamics with premium design and advanced technology. It features a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, available in two power outputs. The standard RS Q8 produces approximately 591 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque, while the RS Q8 performance variant boosts that output to around 631 to 640 horsepower and up to 627 lb-ft of torque, thanks to enhanced turbo boost and a lighter exhaust system. This SUV accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.6 seconds in the performance version, with the standard RS Q8 completing the sprint in about 3.8 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, but this can be increased to 190 miles per hour with the optional dynamic package. The RS Q8 performance also holds the Nürburgring lap record for SUVs, finishing a lap in under 7 minutes and 37 seconds. It comes with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system. The drivetrain is capable of shifting up to 85% of torque to the rear wheels or 70% to the front, depending on driving conditions. Adaptive air suspension and active roll stabilization ensure both comfort and sharp handling, while four-wheel steering improves maneuverability at low speeds and stability at high speeds. Braking is handled by high-performance RS ceramic brakes, with 17.3-inch front and 14.6-inch rear discs, and massive 10-piston calipers. Wheel options include standard 22-inch alloys or lightweight 23-inch forged wheels that reduce unsprung weight significantly. The interior of the RS Q8 is rich in luxury materials, featuring Valcona leather and Alcantara with RS-specific design touches like honeycomb stitching and contrast accents. The cockpit includes Audi's virtual cockpit digital display, dual MMI touchscreens, and standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. RS-specific features like a G-meter, lap timer, and shift light indicators are also included in the performance model. Custom interior themes in red or blue, along with carbon or matte finish trim, are available. Standard safety and convenience features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane assist, emergency braking, 360-degree cameras, and a head-up display. The RS Q8 offers a balance of performance and practicality, with seating for 5, substantial cargo capacity of up to about 1,700 liters with rear seats folded, and a towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds. The fuel economy for the RS Q8 is rated at approximately 14 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. The fuel tank holds around 85 liters, providing reasonable but not extended range given the vehicle's power. In terms of dimensions, the RS Q8 is about 5 meters long, 2 meters wide, and 1.69 meters high, with a wheelbase of roughly 3 meters. It has a curb weight of around 2.5 tons. Exterior colors include bold options like chili red, Ascari blue, and Saphir gold, along with more classic tones such as glacier white, mythos black, and silver. Pricing for the 2025 model year in Europe starts around $151,000 for the standard RS Q8 and goes up to approximately $166,000 or more for the performance model, with North American prices expected to be in a similar range, adjusted for local taxes and equipment levels. The RS Q8 offers the allure of a supercar with the utility of a family SUV, making it one of the most capable and luxurious performance SUVs on the market.